Before commencing space tourism, Virgin Galactic has successfully conducted its last test flight. On Thursday, Virgin Galactic successfully completed what is believed to be its last test flight before commencing commercial trips to space for paying customers. The company had 6 members present on the flight, which included 2 pilots. After a short excursion that featured several moments of weightlessness, the aircraft landed at Spaceport America, located in southern New Mexico. The mothership took roughly an hour to transport the spaceplane to a height that allowed it to ignite its rocket and make the ultimate ascent to the threshold of space. Virgin Galactic tweeted about a successful boost, declaring their achievement of reaching space. Almost 2 years passed before the flight's arrival, which occurred after the founder, Richard Branson, triumphed over fellow billionaire and Amazon's founder, Jeff Bezos, and his rocket company Blue Origin to reach space. 9 days after Branson's flight from West Texas, Bezos himself made the journey, and Blue Origin has since facilitated several passenger trips. Following Branson's expedition, federal aviation authorities prohibited Virgin Galactic launches to investigate an incident. For over a decade, Virgin Galactic has been dedicated to providing the opportunity for paying passengers to experience short space hops. And after years of hard work, the company has finally received approval from the federal government in 2021. In the following months, the first commercial flight is anticipated to take off, and it will involve Italian Air Force personnel performing experiments. Following this, individuals who purchase tickets years in advance for the unique experience of experiencing weightlessness on a winged spacecraft that launches from an airplane's underside will be the next to embark. Over the course of the past 10 years, approximately 800 tickets have been purchased. The first set of tickets was priced at $200,000 each, and since then the price has increased to $450,000 per individual ticket. Since 2018, Virgin Galactic has successfully completed 5 space missions, and they plan to reach even greater heights with their next class of rocket-powered planes, which will be produced at a facility in Arizona. Their goal is to achieve 400 flights per year from Spaceport America. Following Branson's journey, flights were suspended by the Federal Aviation Administration while they scrutinized a difficulty that caused the rocket to swerve off course when it was returning to the runway in the New Mexico desert. Virgin Galactic maintained that Branson and other passengers were never at risk during the incident. The carrier airplane and spaceplane of the company underwent modifications. The delay in the completion of these modifications was almost double the anticipated time frame. This was due, in part, to problems with the supply chain and a shortage of labor. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.